Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change currency on eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, when you go to a different country or different region, and then then if it shows a amount in your local currency, and if it's not showing in your local currency, that means you're just doing it in the regular worldwide eBay. You need to go ahead and sign in. Once you're signed in and registered, and then you have changed your shipping location to your existing one, it will change. But let's say you have searched for an item, let's say I've searched for this one, and it is showing the currency in my own country which is I'm in Nepal, so it's showing in Nepali rupees, but I want it to be in dollar. Then if it's not showing in dollar, then you can go ahead, tap on this little icon, go to customize, and make sure this one is turned on. Since I have not added a shipping location to my country, it is still to United States, I'm seeing a dollar. Now you will do that so you will not see your local currency, and tap on apply changes, and that way you will be able to see the amounts in dollar amount no matter in what country you are. And that's how you can customize. And if you're not seeing in local, so make sure to turn that off as well over here. And that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.